Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Jackie, the owner of Cotton Baby Crochet, and I'm fairly new to YouTube, but I have a crochet business. And as my YouTube has gotten a little bigger, I've had a couple people reach out and have questions about my crochet business, particularly basically pertaining to how much money I make and my revenue streams from my crochet business. I will let you know I do this full time, but spoiler alert, I do not make a full-time income from it, but I do make some money, and I think it's decent money for me being basically a stay-at-home mom. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I started on Etsy. That's my biggest-ish revenue stream in 2020. However, when I started my Etsy, I was actually selling jam and jelly. Um, And I actually did well. In 4 months, I was able to outsell about 85% of Etsy sellers. I got about 200 sales in just 4 months. And I made, how much did I make? I have it written down, $3,359.90. However, that was in COVID times when people had free stimulus money. I think today's climate on Etsy is not as banging, more or less. But I will go over my stats and my income from the first quarter of the year, since it is now 6 days into the second quarter of the year, and I've got all of my numbers. I've got them all somewhere. Let's see. There it is. So on Etsy in January, I had one sale and I made $65.85. That's it in January. Yeah. February was a little bit better. I made on Etsy $224.36. That was from 4 different orders. Not too bad, a little better. In March, I had 4 orders, it looks like, resulting in $192.48. But I also did a craft fair and I made $141.15. And another revenue stream that I have that's unrelated to crochet is I sell chicken eggs because we have chickens, and I sold $10 worth of eggs. We only have 5 chickens right now that are laying, with a bunch more by fall that's going to be laying, like double digits. And then so far in April, I've made $246 at a craft fair that's not in the first quarter numbers. And I forgot to say my total for the first quarter was $633.84. So Etsy right now with the crochet business, I think, is a slow burn. And I will say that a lot of crochet businesses that I know that are on Etsy make money selling patterns, and I sell finished makes. I only have one pattern. So I think it allows me to maybe make a little bit more money, but it's slower. Whereas if you crochet, collecting yarn and collecting crochet patterns are like a whole separate hobby than crocheting. So I have a ton of patterns that I bought that I've never even made. So you can get more sales that way. But obviously, when the pattern's $2, $3, $4, it's going to take you longer to rack up a couple $100s. But I know there are people that sell crochet patterns that make like thousands of dollars a month. And then aside from that, my other business is I'm a freelance writer. I have been since 2019, 2018, 2020. I don't know, a few years ago. I have one steady long-term client. Doing that, I can make like $700 on one post that I write for him. Hello, buddy. I'm recording a video. You can vacuum? All right. Good for you, buddy. I hopefully will be getting work from him soon, and that will just be one more revenue stream. And then eventually, I plan to be monetized on YouTube. For me, it's not a hope. It's going to happen. It's just a matter of when. And my channel is growing pretty well, so hopefully it'll be soon. I know you don't owe me anything, but if you want to help me get monetized on YouTube, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if you're here, you've already watched the video, so you're already helping me a little bit, which I appreciate. And I will be continuing to post crochet videos and business related videos. So if that is something you're interested in seeing, feel free to like this video as well. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.